The Education Workforce Council, EWC, has published its annual Fitness to Practice report for the year ending March 2023. You can read the report from our website. The EWC has a legal responsibility to establish and maintain a code of professional conduct and practice. We also annually investigate allegations regarding a small number of practitioners who may breach the code. We undertake our regulatory work to safeguard learners, young people, parents and guardians and the general public. We also do this work to uphold public trust and confidence in the education professions. This year's report gives you information about numbers of cases, trends and further details. I encourage you to take a look. As always, if you want to speak to the EWC, please do not hesitate to contact us.